Let's take a look at this births dashboard and understand how it facilitates business decisions. Imagine that in just a few clicks, you can cross-reference information on newborns, state of residence, year of birth, mother's level of education, and much more. This makes it easy to identify birth rate trends, focus efforts on regions with the highest number of births, or even develop health policies aimed at a specific profile of pregnant women. For example, by analyzing birth weight ranges, the health manager can predict necessary resources and direct prenatal campaigns. The parity indicator, combined with the mother's marital status and level of education, helps to understand behaviors and plan social actions. In this way, this dashboard not only increases data visibility, but also generates strategic insights for governments, hospitals, and research institutions. And it is worth noting that all this incredible work is available on GitHub in the repository LenSedli POWER-BI-PROJEKT Lenka-Sedlackova.